Hello everyone from InstaFollowers. Today we want to tell you about a popular social media service we offer, and here is our Kick live stream viewing service. The Kick live stream viewing service is a reliable option provided by InstaFollowers. Right now, Kick is seen as the biggest competitor to Twitch, so many users are moving to Kick. Many content creators are hosting live streams on Kick and connecting with their viewers, and that's why having a live viewers on Kick is becoming very important for content creators. At InstaFollowers, we offer you a reliable service to buy Kick live stream views. With our service, you can buy discounted and affordable Kick live stream views. As an InstaFollowers, we are giving you real viewers and secure payment options, high viewer numbers, and 100% interaction and loyal audience. So that's why InstaFollowers is the most logical choice for you. First, find the service on our website and choose the live stream viewer package you want. Then copy and paste into the linked channel or account where you want to get Kick live stream viewers into the provided box. After completing these two steps, choose how long you want to keep these viewers. And once you made all your selections, you can complete the purchase quickly and secure with 3D secure payment processing. And also, please remember that we have a 24 hours live support line where you can contact us if you have any questions. As you can see, it is that simple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.